Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Clarity for Sure once again. So this is our RBI Grade B Panchsutra Phase 2 Plan 2.0. So this program is completely dedicated for the candidates who are preparing for or going to appear in your Phase 2 online examination of RBI Grade B. So as you all know, we have already launched a plan that was our Panchsutra Plan 1.0, which was completely dedicated for the Phase 1 online examination of RBI Grade B, and this is our Panchsutra Plan for Phase 2, that is 2.0. Here again we are providing each and every important contents which are relevant for your Phase 2 examination, followed by the classes as well. So again we have divided things into 5 categories, 5 blocks, and each blocks contain all the relevant topics and relevant contents whichever are important for your Phase 2 examination. So starting with the block number 1, here we are going to provide you descriptive and objective questions from last 6 months current affairs, that is from June to November, and that much of current affair will be sufficient for your Phase 2 examination, followed by the sessions on most important topics in Q&A format, that is question and answer format, right? So that was all about our block number 1. Coming to the block number 2, PDFs of top 50 reports, schemes, indices, etc. So whatever reports, indices or schemes were there in the news, we are going to provide you complete compilations of all those contents, followed by the classes as well, and analytical sessions on the same in Q&A format. Clear? Coming to the block number 3, PDFs of top 30 plus important guidelines, circulars and announcement etc. Whatever guidelines, circulars were there in the news, most importantly from RBI official website, will be providing you complete compilations of those top 30 plus topics or compilation of or those guidelines and circulars, right? Followed by the sessions in Q&A format, again the same, right? Now coming to the block number 4, test series. The most important thing here is test series. So test series comprising of 25 plus self practice descriptive test. Self practice descriptive test will be there of 25, more than 25, right? And we'll be also providing you the model answer of those test series, plus 10 objective tests of ESI and FM, that is finance and management. This part of the is very important for your syllabus, right? PDF of top 101 descriptive questions with model answer encompassing ESI, finance and management. So test series is the most important part of any examination. So we are going to provide you 25 plus self practice test for descriptive and 10 plus objective test of the most important papers, that is ESI and FM, right? So this was all about our block number 4. Now last but not the least, block 5, session on tips and tricks for answer writing through model question and answer for ESI, FM and English as well. Clear? So this was all about our Panchsutra Phase 2 Plan 2.0. So you can directly enroll in this program to enhance your preparation of Phase 2 examination. You just need to go to our website, that is www.c4scourses.in. There you will get the course section, and from there you can directly enroll in this program, in this particular Panchsutra 2.0 program. Clear? So that's it for the session. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel, hit the like button and follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.